Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. Hello and happy Friday. I am really excited to be filming this video for you and sharing with you my favorite functional happy planner stickers. So I recently purchased the Wellness Warrior and the Minimalist sticker book, and I wanted to flip through them with you, and then I wanted to talk to you a little bit about happy planner functional stickers and share with you how I use them. Okay, so this is the newest one, and I purchased this one today actually. So I am in Florida, in South Florida. So if you are in the area, this book is already available at Joann's. So I had been stalking the website for a little bit, and I had my friend Liz also help me out. And she texted me this morning that the book was available. So of course I had to go and pick it up. And I just quickly flipped through it. So I am gonna do a flip of this beautiful sticker book. And when I had seen it for the first time, when the Happy Planner squad shared the new releases, I knew I had to have it. So this is the mini Wellness Warrior sticker book, and it has 1,038 pieces. So I did choose the mini just because the size of my planner is smaller, so I just prefer this size of stickers. So here we go. So there are a few reasons why I think the Wellness Warrior sticker book is a must-have in your sticker collection. And one of them is obviously the color scheme. So this is a very muted color scheme, and I absolutely love how this can go with anything. Another reason why I absolutely love this sticker book are these strips of quotes. So if you've been around here for a while, you know that I am a sucker for these strips. And when I saw that this book had all the, like this page and has different strips, I knew I had to have it. And also, I love the little boxes that have the prompts. So I don't use a wellness sticker, a wellness planner, but I do use wellness stickers all the time in my layouts. So definitely this is a book that you do want to add to your sticker collection. It has these very functional headers as well, and these habit trackers. So this is one of my favorite functional sticker books at the moment. Next is another one of the new sticker books. So these two are part of the new Happy Planner Girl release. So these are limited edition sticker books. They're not part of their collection, like their year-round collection. So if you are interested in these books, you definitely want to pick them up because these are limited. This one I purchased at Michael's, and this one at Joann's. Okay, so this is the Minimalist sticker book, and hello, the name just screams my my name. So here it is. Just looking at the first page, look how beautiful the color scheme of this sticker book is, and I'm gonna show you because I've already used it in my planner. So I love the Minimalist sticker book because of the color scheme, obviously, but I love these clear labels as well. So these are just definitely some of my must-have labels when it comes to functional stickers. Same thing with like these priorities. I use these all the time and I just love the color scheme. So these pages are individual little stickers, so they're super cute. So I'm gonna show you how I've used the Minimalist sticker book in my planner. So I created today in my projects section, I updated some of the projects that I'm working on this last couple of months. And one of them is creating a reading nook. So I went ahead and I printed out some pictures from Wayfair, and then I used the labels from this sticker book to label the name of the different things that I want to purchase. And I love how they are just minimal strips and have a touch of color. So this is another way. These stickers are also from that sticker book. So I love the clean minimalistic look, and this sticker book is definitely it's definitely that. So this is another one of my favorite sticker books for functional planning, and then the wellness sticker book collection. So I do have all of the wellness sticker books that the Happy Planner has released, and there's a few reasons why I love them. First, because of the color schemes, because I feel that wellness, it's such, like a relaxing type of vibe that you want to achieve. So I do love that their sticker books are definitely more on the muted soft tones. So this is a sticker value pack that came in the wellness. It was a wellness box that was sold at Joann's a couple of months ago, I think at the beginning of this year. And I just purchased it because it had all these clear labels that I love and use, and these me time, again, the color scheme is just so me. So definitely check out the wellness sticker books by the Happy Planner, because you don't necessarily need to have a wellness planner to be able to incorporate these stickers in a functional way in your planner, because they are, for the most part, they are on the functional side. So that is great. And then it obviously has beautiful motivational quotes. So this one is their latest. Well, no, the Wellness Warrior is their latest. This one is a couple of months ago, but it's part of the newer release, and it's wellness planning, and these colors just scream fall. So I had to pick this sticker book, and I have used it a lot lately. So yeah, this one, I can't remember where I purchased it. I want to say Michael's. But you can definitely check out the website, and they should have it there. So this sticker book is one of my favorites because it has a lot of clear quotes. So I love using these quotes in my planners. So the fact that this sticker book has them was a must for me, and obviously also these boxes. So let me show you these. This one says today I feel, today in a word. So these are just very functional, cute boxes that you can just stick in your planner. And I do feel that wellness is just something that we should just keep, in our mind to be able to just take some time and take care of ourselves. So I love these wellness sticker books for that reason and for its functionality. So this one is called Wellness Planning, and it has 514 pieces. Okay, and last but not least, I think this was the first wellness sticker book that the Happy Planner came out with a couple of years ago. This one was sold only at Walmart. And funny story, when this planner came out, we were on a road trip. So we actually exited the highway somewhere in North Carolina, I think, and because they were not in stock anywhere here in South Florida. So I knew that I needed this sticker book in my life, and we exited somewhere in North Carolina, and I purchased this at a Walmart, not here in Florida, somewhere up north. So I have definitely loved using this sticker book, and I have several copies of this one actually. This one is for the mini, which I prefer right now because of the size of planner that I'm using, but I do have two that are classic size, and it doesn't really bother me because I use classic size stickers in all of my planners as well. So again, with the muted colors, the functional stickers, the encouraging quotes, like these sticker books definitely hit all the marks for me when it comes to choosing a sticker book. So there you have it, my favorite functional stickers by the Happy Planner. And as you can see, they do have a theme because they are the wellness sticker books that they have. So the original wellness sticker book, the wellness planning that it's available right now at Michael's and on the Happy Planner website. This was an exclusive part of a Joanne's box, and then the latest ones, the new releases, Minimalist and Wellness Warrior, which are exclusive to the Happy Planner Girl line, and they're out for a limited time. So if you definitely want to pick some out, I suggest you go for these two first. So these are my favorite Happy Planner functional stickers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to share some valuable information with you and give you some ideas on how to use wellness stickers in your everyday planner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so you don't miss my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.